Let's derive the trigonometric angle sum formulas using Euler's formula e power I theta equals cosine theta plus I sine theta and exponent laws. So what we do is we just take the following, we say e power I theta plus phi. So theta and phi are two angles. Using Euler's formula is going to be cosine of theta plus phi plus I sine theta plus phi. Okay, that's number one. Number two is, using the fact that we have exponent laws, we know that this is going to equal to e power I theta times e power I phi, which again by using Euler's formula is going to be cosine theta plus I sine theta multiplied by cosine phi plus I sine phi. So we're going to get this cosine phi plus I sine phi. And this is a really cool way of deriving the formulas because now we use multiplication of complex numbers. So we compare real and imaginary parts. So we get cosine theta times cosine phi. So we multiply and find out the real and imaginary parts separately. So cosine theta plus cosine phi plus I sine theta times I sine phi is going to be I squared sine theta sine phi, which is negative sine theta sine phi. So negative sine theta sine phi plus I times the imaginary part, so it's going to be sine theta times cosine phi. So we're going to get sine theta times cosine phi plus it's going to be cosine theta times sine phi. And now we've got cosine theta times sine phi. We can now compare, we've got two complex numbers that are equal. We can now compare the real and imaginary parts. So we know that cosine theta plus phi is going to match with this, and we know that sine theta plus phi is going to match with this. And that's a cool way of deriving the trigonometric sum, additive angle formulas using Euler's formula. And I'm just going to end the video by just quickly writing this down. So it's a cool way of remembering it as well. You can sort of like work this out, but of course, you can sort of like think about this as a deep implication of Euler's formula. So here we've got cosine of theta plus phi is going to equal to cosine theta cosine phi minus sine theta sine phi. And finally, we've got sine of theta plus phi is going to equal to sine theta cosine phi plus cosine theta sine phi. And that's the end of the video. Check out my channel. I've got lots of cool content like this, just fun math, lots of math tricks, short math, fast math, college math, high school math, math proofs, advanced mathematical thinking. I'm a research mathematician, so I'm giving a unique angle on mathematics, not just, as textbooks like concepts, but actually as journeys of discovery. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And hopefully I'm super excited to see you in the next video. Wish you all the best, and I'll see you soon.